Hello and welcome to my channel, and hope you're ready for your next lesson. Hope you've been having a good practice regimen. At the beginning, I would request that you practice no more than 10 to 15 minutes a day, but definitely practice every day. Supposing you miss 2 days of practice and you say, I will practice for half an hour on the third day, that won't work. A great practice tip is to practice at a definite time. Maybe immediately after you get up, or maybe after you come back from a school, or whatever it is, okay? Or your college or your work. There is no age restriction for when you can pick up the guitar to play. As long as you have the will, you can learn everything. So in the last lesson, we learned how to play the C major scale, right? And we learned only one octave. One octave basically means every note gets only one pitch, and it sounds like this. Now each note can have a higher pitch also. So that is what I mean by lower octave and higher octave. And where does the word octave come from? It comes from 8, the word 8, the word octa, which means 8. So you play 7 notes, which is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. And then you play do, which is the 8th note in this sequence and the first note for the next sequence. So that's how you play 2 octaves, and that can continue further. So this guitar offers you up to 3 full octaves of the C major scale. Now how do we play that? At this point, you only worry about playing 2 octaves. So the first octave was A3, D, D2, D3, G, G2, B, B1, and then continuing from there, it is B1, B3, E, E1, E3, E5, E7, E8. We'll play it backwards. And now one easy way of doing verbal tab is, I'll just say the string name once, and if there are same number of frets, if there are same frets on the same string, I'll just say the number. So E, H, 7, 5, 3, 1, 0. I'll say that again. E, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, 0, then B, 3, 1, 0, then G, 2, G, D3, D2, D, A3. So when I play anything slowly, it doesn't sound like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But if we should not only keep calling it do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, we should learn to say it backwards, which is do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And that's the sound of a major scale sung backwards. So anything that sounds like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do is a major scale. Okay, and we've learned to play 2 octaves. Great. Now did you notice that when I moved out of the 4 frets, I again started with the first finger again. We have 4 fingers for 4 frets. E1 gets first finger, E2 gets second finger, E3 gets third finger, E4 gets the 4th finger, E5 will get the first finger again, E6 will get the second finger, E7 will get the third, and E8 will get the 4th. So here we are playing E, E1, E3, E5, E7, E8. So you're going to use finger number 0, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Learning through finger numbers is called digitation. Okay, so if I just said take the E string and do 0, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, I probably mean your finger numbers. And also the video is showing you where to move. So remember that, and now try to practice again with a backing track, 2 octaves ascending and 2 octaves descending. And don't repeat the octave. So don't go like, don't do it like that. Just play through it like it's one whole sequence. And hope this video was not too long. If you have any queries, first don't forget to pause, stop, rewind, freeze a frame, watch the finger position. And otherwise, always leave a comment. I will do my best to answer. Thank you.